Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Monday, April 12th. These are the charts of the day. Starting alphabetically as usual. ABK Financial, ABK, which has exploded in the last two sessions. As you can see, gapped up big time on Friday and ran. But today it gapped again and really ran hard, jumping $1.15 or 105% on 41 million shares. It's actually I believe that says 410 million, and it may very well be 410 million. 836,600 shares, that's correct. Huge volume. And although it is spiked up and overbought, it may very well have enough momentum to reach up towards the 3.5 to 375 zone up here. We'll see how it goes going forward. American International Group broke out of the coil last week, ran, backed off, and today popped $3.08 on 45 million shares, or 8%, spiking up in technicals and volume. Sure looks good for more upside. Lateral price resistance around 46 3/4, 47. Secondary target up around 52, 53. Certainly a strong momentum play with a lot of a very popular stock among traders. ATSG, Air Transport Services Group, spiked up today, broke out of a rising bull flag. Technical surge, so did Vium. The stock broke out and may be headed towards the 5 1/4 level as quickly as tomorrow. At that point, it may be short-term overbought, but it certainly has strong momentum and may make it up to my secondary trading target at some point near the 6.5, 7 range. Petroleum, a terrific-looking junior oil, which has run from $1.35 to $8.39 just in the last 100 days or so, continues to motor forward up another 76 cents or 10% today on 2.8 million shares. Strong volume for that stock. As momentum carries this forward, it may move as high as 10 or 11 short term, but reaching a peak, it appears a lot of these stocks spiking up here. Big breakout on CPRX, Catalyst Pharmaceuticals today, jumping 136% or $1.09 on 10.6 million shares. Very strong action. Broke through key overhead resistance and may make it as high as the 2.5, 3/4 zone, my next major trading target. Cost plus certainly looks good, and after breaking out of the big wedge here, last couple sessions has run very hard. It followed through today and broke through lateral price resistance. Next trading target after a 2-year breakout could be up as high as the 6 1/4 zone. My next target right in this zone here. KFX Pharmaceuticals broke out of a coil last week on big gap here, pulled back and then exploded. Today, especially up 82 cents or 24% on 13 million shares. This one looks like it has enough momentum to reach it towards the 4 3/4, 5 zone as early as maybe tomorrow or the next day, and certainly has longer term potential or intermediate term potential to get up maybe to the 8 9 zone. We'll see how that works. Petro Resources, MHR, formerly Magnum Hunter, has run from about $1.30 in December to over $4.24 today, to $4.24, and has reached the top of the internal trend line, internal channel, I should say, and may back off. But if it breaks through here, you can see this thing spike up towards 6, my next trading target. PDO, Pyramid Oil, junior oil, and a thin one has exploded in the last few sessions, running from 4.5 to 7.70 before backing off a point later in the day today. Still up 9% or 55 cents, and on strong volume. Today's volume of 305,000 is the heaviest volume that's traded in this stock since June of last year when the stock was spiking up. So maybe additional potential for a move to the 9, 9.5 range. We'll keep an eye on that one. Planar had a significant technical session today, jumping 16.88% or 53 cents to 367, not far off the session high on the strongest volume on Planar going all the way back to August of last year, breaking out of an 8 or 9 month base pattern. This is a key move, looking for a follow through that takes us up towards the 4 1/4 range. My short term target, 6, 6.5, maybe 7 is the more of the intermediate target on it. Rexan RNN flying up another $1 today, or 38%, 9 million shares, has been spiking up dramatically from $1.70 to nearly $3.70 just in the last 4 sessions. Maybe additional momentum can carry it a bit further to the $4 range, but I'll be looking for that stock to back off shortly and go into a consolidation mode. RPC, Radiant Pharma, has absolutely gone ballistic from 25 cents to $2.59 in the last 5 sessions and has reached a key overhead resistance zone, so I expect some back off in this zone, perhaps consolidation. However, the strong volume on the upside has momentum still not abated, and the stock may very well see additional upside before it settles back. Silicon Motion, SIMO, has been motoring steadily higher from the early March lows around the under 3. It's gone up to nearly 6, so nearly a triple in the last 4 or 5 weeks. Very strong momentum here. I may see this stock get up towards the 6 3/4 range, my short-term trading target. And that is it for today. There's some ideas for you, and I will talk to you tomorrow.